Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by identifying what needs drivers. Check Device Manager or a hardware tool to list motherboard, GPU, audio, and network ID. Once done, make a system restore point and a quick full backup so you can roll back if an update breaks things. Also make sure you're on a stable connection, plug Ethernet if available, and temporarily disable VPN and resource-heavy apps to avoid interrupted installs. These steps avoid common pitfalls and set a safe environment for updating drivers. Next, get the right installers. Go to OEM or component maker sites and download chipset, graphics, audio, and network drivers that match your OS and build. You want WHQL signed packages when possible because they're tested and integrate with Windows Update. Once downloaded, extract installers into a dedicated folder and note version numbers. This helps you compare before and after. If an installer offers a clean or express option, choose clean for chipset and GPU. When switching major versions, you should install in order. Chipset drivers first, then GPU, then audio and network, rebooting when installers request it. This ensures proper device enumeration. After installs, verify in Device Manager that no devices show errors and run the vendor utility to update firmware if available. If something breaks, don't panic. Boot to safe mode to roll back the driver, or use the driver store cleanup tool to remove problematic packages, and if needed, restore the system point you created. That fixes most driver issues quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.